Atoms. All substances are made up of atoms. Atoms are extremely small, too small to see with the naked eye and with a microscope. Atoms contain protons, neutrons, and electrons. They have a radius of about 0.1 nanometers. A nanometer is 1/1000th of a meter. Protons are heavy and positively charged, neutrons are heavy and neutral, and the electrons are tiny and negatively charged. In the middle of the atom is the nucleus. This contains protons and neutrons. The radius of a nucleus is around 1/10,000 of the radius of an atom. The nucleus has a positive charge. This is because of the protons, and almost the whole mass of the atom is concentrated in the nucleus. The electrons move around the nucleus in electron shells. They are negatively charged and incredibly tiny. They cover a large amount of space. The volume of their orbits determines the size of the atom, and electrons have virtually no mass. The number of protons equals the number of electrons. Atoms are neutral. They have no charge overall, unlike ions. An ion is an atom or group of atoms that have gained or lost electrons. This is because they have the same number of protons as electrons, and the charge on the electrons is the same size as the charge on the protons, but opposite. So this means it cancels out the charge. In an ion, the number of protons is not equal to the number of electrons. So this means that there is an overall charge. Let's look at an example. If you have an ion with 2 charge, this has more electrons than it does protons. The nucleus symbol of an atom tells you its atomic or proton number and its mass number, and the atomic number will tell you how many protons there are. The mass number will tell you the total number of protons and neutrons in the atom. In order to get the number of neutrons, you will just subtract the atomic number from the mass number.